Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, we are going to talk about what we can now expect following the approval of 11 Spot Bitcoin ETFs. So, for investors and traders, last week was as chaotic as it can get in the crypto market. The SEC social media account went off the rails and got hacked, leading to a tweet that the highly anticipated Bitcoin ETFs had been approved. Immediately, we saw a massive pump in the Bitcoin chart, only for the current chair of the SEC, Gary Gensler, to tweet from his personal account that the official United States Securities and Exchange Commission account was hacked, and there was still no approval. After Gary's tweet, there was an instant dip in the market. Fast forward 24 hours, and the official SEC page again tweeted, for real this time, that the Bitcoin ETFs have been approved, which even led to the market tapering out at a consistent trend. With the anticlimactic approval events out of the way, what's next now? The first thing to note is that the launch of these new Bitcoin ETFs indicates a bold confidence in the future of digital currencies. With these ETFs, anyone looking to invest can now buy stock in cryptocurrency the same way they can easily buy stocks in Apple, Amazon, or Tesla. At the moment, the ETFs' shares, so to speak, are offered by 11 financial companies, including Fidelity, BlackRock, and Grayscale. Basically, mainstream support for the crypto market, especially Bitcoin, will tremendously increase, which is good for a consistent bullish run. According to John Palmer, the CBOE digital president, the impact of these approved ETFs is huge, and not just for Bitcoin. In an interview on CNBC, he stated that the approval means more investors, especially financial institutions, can now safely buy and trade crypto as a commodity without owning the native token themselves. Essentially, we can expect a fresh capital inflow for the market, as well as a potential increase in market cap over time, because everything depends on how much Bitcoin flows in. Now, we know that all the 11 companies backing the Bitcoin ETFs have solid capital backing their ETFs. BlackRock, for instance, already had $2 billion on the table as investment money before the launch of the Spot Bitcoin ETFs. The same goes for the capital seeded by the other 10 companies, indicating capital inflow won't be an issue. Looking back at the history of successful ETF integrations, one element that stands out as the basis for successful deployment is the volume of inflow, and it looks like that won't be a problem for Bitcoin ETFs. What we can watch out for now is how quickly the new inflow is snapped up by investors and institutions. The first trading day already proved demand isn't muted, so there is no danger of Bitcoin slumping. In fact, the battle for supremacy in offering the best fee to buy Spot Bitcoin ETF has been incredibly fascinating. We've seen financial giants like BlackRock cutting their fees to 0.25% and ARK offering a fee of 0.21%, among other ridiculously low fees. The best thing about this is that the low fees are here to stay. Sure, some of the big companies are trying to crush opposition ETFs before they gain traction by offering better services. But the truth is, these big companies can't just raise the fees following a successful adoption of Spot Bitcoin ETFs. Moving on, what's the implication of the approval on other altcoins? Already, we are seeing petitions from big entities like BlackRock for the creation and launch of ETFs for other altcoins. Ethereum, of course, will be the biggest winner if ETFs for other coins are approved. Solana ETF is another one to watch out for, with the scalability and overall growth potential everyone is expecting to see from the crypto this cycle. Beyond those two, we will likely see XRP and Litecoin getting the coveted ETF package distribution soon, because anything can happen in the crypto market. While this is not a financial advice video, the general feeling in mainstream media and the crypto industry is that now might be the best time to own some Bitcoin. The security and stability ETFs offer are just too good. Also, if there was ever a time Bitcoin would break the 100K milestone the crypto community has always anticipated a coin would reach, it is now. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe with post notifications so you get notified for our next video.